Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2020 Land Rover Range Rover SVR. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, I do see a small chip here. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Right, I'm not seeing any scratches on the carbon fibers. Everything here looks perfect. Let's take a look at the driver, fender, and wheel. This fender looks excellent, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look spotless. There are no scratches or dents at all. Now we're going to have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. The trunk is in excellent condition. I do not see any scratches on it at all, and the back bumper looks perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door look good. I do not see any dents or scratches on them at all. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender is in excellent condition with no scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. All right, that looks good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear there at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.